I sold over $10 million worth of real estate my first year as a broker in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Everything I've done in my business has been 100% organic. No cold calling, no paying for leads, no overpriced marketing. But before I tell you how I did it, I need you to understand why it mattered so much to me. None of this was handed to me. My first year in real estate, I got deathly ill. I had pancreatitis and then later diagnosed with Crohn's. I spent weeks in the hospital. I lost so much weight, wasted so much time, and I almost lost my career before I had even started it. In a matter of weeks in the hospital, real estate very quickly became the one thing that got me out of bed. When I finally got healthy again, I made myself two promises. I wanted to build something that mattered to people, and I wanted to build it my way. So how exactly did I sell over $10 million as a first-year real estate broker? I did these 5 things consistently, intentionally, and with my entire heart. I did not want to be the agent that has cookie cutter marketing and a bland vanilla personality. I wanted to build a brand that was exciting, unique, and unforgettable. Can you just imagine driving past this hot pink sign? People stop, and that's the goal. This brand is built on hot pink energy with tons of knowledge about construction, vacant land, expert negotiation skills. When it comes to interior design, we do it all. And I made a promise that my company would be built on clients first, commission second, always. Your brand is not just your color, it is your entire reputation. The second I put all my skills together and started creating things just like this, my business soared. I built my entire business like a science experiment. Every checklist, message template, every inspection flow, and appraisal packet, my systems make sure nothing is slipped. Not one detail, not one deadline, not one client. Systems do not make you robotic. They make you reliable, and reliability is why clients come back. This is where everything took off. The second I started posting my design projects on social media, painting, new grout, new hardware, the renovation and transformations were incredible, and my social media just started to blow up. All of the behind-scene work that I was doing, people loved. Clients don't want a salesperson. They want a real estate agent who shows value. The more I started to post about the design projects I was doing, the before and after transformations, and how I was selling these homes faster than anybody else in my market, I was not posting just to look cute or gain new followers. I was posting because I wanted to build trust with my clients. And building a strong social media presence changed my entire business. My clients know that I'm honest, there is no BS, and I always treat their money as if it was my own. If there's a red flag at a house, I say it. If a house is overpriced, I say it. And if I see a great deal, I tell my clients and I negotiate it for them. Because of that, my clients don't disappear after closing. I go to their housewarming parties. I become a part of the family, just like they become a part of mine. My honesty, that's exactly how I sold over 10 million this year alone. But step number 5, the biggest game changer for my business. I opened a hot pink brokerage in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Welcome to my hot pink office. I paid for this office out of my pocket. There's no investors, no partners, no massive team of agents, just a ridiculous amount of hustle, long work days, and a ridiculous amount of iced coffee. It's not just selling your house. We design it, give it love, and we started giving clients an experience they cannot get anywhere else. And this has led to some of the biggest transactions in my entire career. My first ever commercial listing, all cash, less than 30 days for $1.35 million. This was my client's nest egg, so I had to get her the highest net possible. And we did.
Yes, I'm moving. I'll move now. Oh, I'm sorry. I apologize.
I did get yelled at for taking that video, but you know what? It's for the bit. And since we're being honest, can you believe I sold over 10 million this year without a single cold call? This house sets me to sell over $12 million this year alone as a first-year broker in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Here's the truth. None of this was given to me and none of this was luck. I built my brand, my systems, social media, my relationships, all that led me to selling 10 million in this beautiful purple pink brokerage. And I built myself from hospital beds to design projects to selling over 30 million before turning 30. If you're watching this thinking you can't do it, I promise you, you absolutely can. If a girl who was sick in a hospital bed can build a multi-million-dollar brokerage, so can you. We are just getting started and I have so much more coming your way.